Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to the English Spark podcast. I'm your host, Emily, and I'm excited to start our casual chat today.
Hello, Emily, and hi to all our dedicated listeners. It's truly wonderful to be here with you all this afternoon.
It's great to see you too, Paul. How are things on your side today? How are you feeling in general?
I'm doing okay. Thank you for asking. I must admit, I'm feeling a little bit tired and drained right now.
Oh no, tired already?
Wow.
It's barely past noon.
Yeah.
Did you have an especially long morning?
I know. I had a very busy and demanding start to the day.
Sounds so bright and energetic. I'm fantastic.
Yeah.
I feel incredibly happy and uplifted today, ready for a great chat. Well, I have my favorite thing right here, a big warm cup of delicious coffee.
Yeah.
That certainly helps lift my spirits.
A perfect mood booster. I chose a calmer option today. I'm sipping on some nice warm green tea.
Green tea is an excellent and healthy choice too.
It's so good for you. It is. Well, before we dive deeper into our conversation and talk about why I'm so exhausted, we must greet our listeners and ask them for a little bit of support for English Spark.
Everyone listening, thank you for joining us. We are so happy to have you here for our chat on English Spark.
And please, if you are enjoying our English practice podcast, take a moment to click the like button.
Yes, please share and subscribe. Okay, Paul, now I must know.
Mr. Tired, what exactly happened that has left you so drained? Oh, it's all related to work. Specifically, the fallout from yesterday's shift.
Work, I understand.
Yeah.
Was it a particularly hard or long day?
It was a very long day, primarily because we had a massive team meeting.
A meeting with your supervisor or manager?
Yes, with my boss, Mr. Henderson, and every single person on our team. It felt like everyone in the office was there, crammed into one room.
I really dislike big group meetings.
Yeah.
They always seem to drag on forever and achieve very little.
Yeah.
This particular meeting lasted an unbelievable 3 hours.
3 solid hours of continuous talking? Wow, that's genuinely exhausting.
Yes, 3 hours of talking, and more talking.
Yeah.
The main topic was a new major task. The boss wants us to prepare a huge new report.
A report about what? Sales data, project updates?
It's mostly about complicated numbers, lots and lots of difficult data analysis.
Oh, numbers. I'm not a big fan of number crunching myself. I much prefer working with words.
Me too. But the real kicker is the deadline. He needs this very big report delivered by Friday.
But today is only Tuesday.
Yeah.
That is an extremely tight turnaround for a major task.
I know. It's a huge task that needs to be completed extremely quickly, leaving no room for errors.
So the pressure is really on. You and your colleagues must be incredibly busy right now.
Exactly. The entire team is under immense pressure, and frankly, we are all feeling quite stressed about meeting the looming deadline.
Stressed? Oh dear. That's never a fun or productive working environment.
And compounding the work pressure, there's also a small people problem happening in the office right now.
Oh, people issues.
Yeah.
Those are always the trickiest kind of problem.
Yeah.
Who is involved?
It involves two of my colleagues. You remember Tom?
Yes, I know Tom. He's the tall guy, very talkative, and always tries to make everyone laugh.
That's Tom.
Yes.
The other person is a colleague named Sarah.
Sarah? I don't think I've met her yet.
Sarah is a relatively new member of the team. She's very pleasant, gentle, and very quiet.
I see the contrast. Tom is loud and talkative, and Sarah is quiet and new.
Yes, exactly. Tom, the very talkative one, and Sarah, the highly focused and hardworking one, are meant to be a unit on this report.
Oh, I can already sense the potential for conflict. Their styles are so different.
Yeah.
It's happening.
Tom is always chatting with everyone, which is just his natural way, while Sarah is completely concentrated on her demanding tasks.
So Tom interrupts, and Sarah feels distracted and tries desperately to work around him. Precisely. And yesterday, Sarah was noticeably sad and quiet toward the end of the day.
Sad? Why? Did she share anything about the cause?
I think Tom said something to her, maybe not intentionally mean, but something that hurt her feelings.
I wasn't there to hear the words, but Sarah...
It is hard. I genuinely like both Tom and Sarah, and I just want the working environment to be harmonious and positive for everyone involved.
That's very considerate of you, Paul. Does your boss, Mr. Henderson, know about this friction between them?
No, I don't think he does. Mr. Henderson is completely consumed by the workload and the tight deadline. He doesn't seem to notice the smaller team dynamics at all.
He only cares about the final product, the big report and the numbers.
Yes, exactly. His entire focus is making sure the report is on his desk by Friday.
Yes.
He just keeps repeating the mantra, I need the report on Friday.
So despite the tension, Tom and Sarah are obligated to continue working side by side to meet his demands.
Yes, and I am literally situated between them at the moment. It's a very uncomfortable and draining position to be in.
Oh, Paul, that sounds incredibly difficult and stressful for you.
Today at lunchtime, I ended up eating completely alone.
But you usually have lunch and a good social chat with Tom.
I know. But today, Tom ate his lunch right at his desk, and Sarah did the same at hers. The tension was too thick for a shared meal.
So the office must have been extremely quiet and
Very
awkward.
quiet. Too quiet for my liking. Work is so much better and more enjoyable when you can share a laugh and a conversation with your friends.
It really is. A supportive environment makes all the difference. So what is your plan to try and resolve this little conflict?
I do have an idea. I think it's a good one, actually, but I need your opinion and final approval on it.
Of course. What can I possibly do?
It involves the magic word coffee.
Coffee. Yes, I'm already fully on board and interested.
I plan to buy coffee for Sarah first. A small, simple gesture of kindness to cheer her up.
Oh, that is a very thoughtful and kind thing to do, Paul.
Yeah.
And then perhaps coffee for Tom as well. A peace offering for the whole team.
Yes, coffee for everyone.
Yeah.
It's genuinely hard to be angry with a warm cup of coffee in your hand.
I'll go to the coffee shop just around the corner, the coffee stop.
Ah, the one with the large green sign.
Yes.
You know, they also sell absolutely fantastic cookies there.
Cookies? Are they the big, delicious chocolate chip ones?
Yes, big, soft chocolate cookies. People are almost always happier and more receptive when there are...
Okay, the plan is finalized. I will buy a coffee and a cookie for Sarah and a coffee and a cookie for Tom. A perfect, balanced gesture.
Yes.
A balanced and very sweet plan.
Yes.
It shows you care about both of them.
I think I will execute this plan tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.
Yes.
Right before the mid-morning slump.
Oh, 10 a.m. is a perfect time.
Yeah.
I really hope this simple act of kindness works and encourages them to communicate again.
I hope so too.
Yeah.
I just want the stress and awkwardness to dissipate.
You are a great friend and advisor. Thank you, Paul. You are a great friend too. I'm cheering for a quick resolution and a happy office.
And wish me luck with the numbers part of the report. Oh, the report. It contains so many numbers to go through and double check.
Does it involve a lot of genuinely complex mathematics?
It's mostly endless adding, subtracting, and carefully analyzing endless lines of data.
Yeah.
It's frankly quite tedious and boring work.
I am truly terrible at mathematics.
Yeah.
I've always struggled with numbers and complex equations.
Me too. I much prefer the verbal side of things. Talking is easy and fun.
Agreed. Talking flows naturally. Math feels like hard, unnatural work.
Okay. That's enough work talk for one session. It's making me feel tired all over again.
Understood. Let's switch to something more positive and exciting.
So, Emily, you mentioned you are feeling incredibly happy today. Is it truly just the coffee, or is there something else?
Oh, good news. Tell me. Please tell me all about it right now.
It's about my dear friend, my very best friend, Maria.
Yes, I remember Maria. She's so much fun and has beautiful, long, dark hair.
That's her. Well, Maria is going to be getting married.
That is absolutely fantastic.
Wow.
Congratulations to her.
Yes. She told me the news late last night.
Yes.
I am so incredibly excited for her big step.
That really is truly fantastic news.
Yeah.
When exactly is the wedding going to take place?
It's happening next month. I know it's coming up very, very fast.
That is quick, but they must be very much in love.
Who is she marrying? She's marrying a man named Leo. He is very kind and a dedicated worker. He's a doctor. A doctor.
Very good news.
Yes. Maria is so happy. And the best part, the wedding ceremony will be held outside in a beautiful garden. Yes, lots of fragrant flowers and lush greenery. It's going to be a truly picturesque event.
A garden wedding. Oh, that sounds absolutely beautiful and so romantic with all the lovely flowers everywhere.
So you must be extremely excited to celebrate with her.
I am, truly, but I must admit, I'm also feeling a tiny bit stressed about one thing.
Stressed? Why? It's supposed to be a joyous occasion.
I know, but Paul, I desperately need to find a suitable dress.
A beautiful new dress for the wedding.
Yeah.
That sounds like the fun part, shopping.
It is fun, but it's also challenging and time-consuming.
Challenging? Why is it difficult?
I simply can't decide on the color.
That is an excellent question. Color choice is indeed very important.
I personally really like the color blue. What do you think about a blue dress?
Blue is a very lovely color, very elegant. But wait, doesn't Maria, the bride, absolutely adore the color green?
Maybe you should wear green as a tribute to her. Green is also nice.
Yeah.
A green dress in a lush garden setting would look wonderful, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It perfectly matches the venue.
Green definitely works with the setting.
Yeah.
So, green or blue? You need to make a decision soon.
Okay, and what about the length? A garden wedding.
Yeah.
Maybe a long dress?
Yeah.
That would look more formal and elegant.
Yes, a long dress would be perfect for that occasion. Okay, a long green or blue dress it is.
That sounds beautiful.
But now, the dreaded problem, shoes.
Oh no, more dress-related complications.
Yes, shoes. I absolutely cannot wear my usual high-heeled shoes or heels.
Heels? Why not?
Because the wedding is in the garden on the soft grass.
Oh, yes. That's a valid point. Heels sinking into the grass all day, no good at all.
Exactly. So I will need comfortable flat shoes instead.
Flat shoes are a practical and comfortable choice.
Good thinking. Okay, so a long dress and flat shoes. But remember, Paul, I am quite short.
Emily, you're not that short.
I am.
Yeah.
And long dresses are always far too long for me.
Yeah.
They just drag on the ground.
I see. The bottom of the dress ends up on the floor.
You will need someone to adjust the length. Yes, someone to make the dress shorter.
You need a tailor. Find the dress first, then find a good tailor immediately.
Tailor, yes,
Yeah.
that's the exact word. Okay, so blue or green? I still can't quite decide between them.
Yeah. Let's think about this logically. What color are your eyes, Emily?
They are blue.
Okay, then wear blue.
Yeah.
A blue dress will perfectly match your eyes and look absolutely stunning on you.
Oh, that is a fantastic idea, Paul.
Yeah.
A long blue dress it is.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Now that the dress is sorted, what about the color of the flat shoes?
Oh no, another hard decision.
How about a neutral shade like white or something shiny and elegant like silver?
Silver. Yes, silver flat shoes. That will look so nice and modern.
Very nice. Silver flat shoes. And maybe carry a small silver bag to match the shoes.
Thank you, Paul. See, talking things out really does help solve problems.
It does. Now, you mentioned Maria and Leo. Where did they first meet?
Yes. Look at that. I have a complete plan.
You certainly do. A long blue dress, silver flat shoes, and a silver bag. You will look absolutely beautiful at the wedding.
Oh, it's a very funny and very sweet story. They met at the supermarket.
No, really? That's so charming and unexpected.
Yes. Maria was shopping for beautiful red apples, and Leo was nearby buying oranges.
Apples and oranges. How perfectly fitting.
Maria accidentally dropped her whole bag of apples, and they rolled all over the floor.
Oh, how awkward and embarrassing.
Leo instantly came to her rescue. He got down on the floor and helped her pick up every single apple.
Wow, that is so kind.
Just like a romantic scene from a classic movie.
Yes.
And he looked at her and said, "Your apples are very, very red."
Your apples are red. That's a wonderful line.
Maria laughed, and later that week, they had coffee together.
Coffee again. It seems coffee is the catalyst for everything important and romantic.
It really is. And now, a wedding. That's a great story. I love that story.
So, Emily, this week you have a fun wedding to plan for, and I have a big, boring report to finish. Yes, a very busy week.
Yeah.
So, Emily, what will you do this Friday night after the report is done and the office is quiet?
Friday night, I will race home, immediately take off my stiff work clothes.
And put on your pajamas, of course. Yes, my most comfortable, soft blue pajamas. And I will settle down on my big red sofa.
Sounds very cozy and well-deserved. And I will order a delicious Pizza.
Pizza.
What kind do you prefer?
I love pepperoni. Simple and perfect.
Pepperoni is great.
Yeah.
I prefer a classic cheese pizza myself. Lots and lots of gooey cheese.
And sleep. I need plenty of sleep.
You do. That sounds like a perfect, relaxing Friday night.
What about you? After your shopping trip on Saturday, what's your evening plan?
Saturday night, Maria and I are having dinner together at our favorite place.
Where will you eat?
The small Italian place, Luigi's.
I love their pasta.
Me too. So pizza for you, pasta for me. We both love comforting Italian food.
We do. Well, that sounds like a great weekend ahead.
Yes. Wow, Paul, look at the clock. Time has truly flown by.
It really does fly when we are chatting.
Yeah.
I feel much better now. Not tired at all. I'm glad.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our conversation today on English Spark.
And please don't forget to subscribe to the English Spark channel and click the like button if you enjoyed our chat.
Yes, and share this episode.
Yeah.
And we have one final question for you today.
In the comments below, tell us, what did you do yesterday? Or what are your plans for this weekend?
Yes, tell us about your day in English right after this.
Great. Well, see you next time, Emily.
Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone.